hurts.
Your heart
It's gonna
hurts?
fall, Brian. If it falls,
Yeah, that is pretty
that's the
big.
end of us.
That's like the biggest spider I've seen in years.
Brian, please kill it. Just
Packing up for Florida. 8 p.m. Gonna get there the next morning. Yes. 5 a.m. Layover in Detroit. I'm in Detroit. Oh my god, this place is so long. They got a train up there at the top right just to help you get from one end to the other. Like, I can't even see the end of it. What the hell? So it's almost 6 a.m. Walking to the other side of this airport took forever. In Detroit, they got Chick-fil-A and Pinkberry right here, but it's too early for anything to be open. Oh my god, look at her getting Chick-fil-A first thing in the morning. And the sunrise. Oh my god, now she's gonna take a photo of the sunset and send it on Snapchat. Me and my boo gonna be working on no sleep today. You sleepy?
yes.
You wanna sleep? In the bed? I hate airplane seats. They're not made for tall people. It's so uncomfortable. Especially big and wide people. Florida. Going to pick up the car now in a time traveling bus. This is the car. This is the rental. It's been a rain and a thunderstorm. These gas prices though. Tic-tac-toe, and they got little games, shovels for kids. This is where the kids will go. Volleyball, kayak, water sports. We're gonna go walk down there to eat at Benny's on the beach. I've never seen a basketball court or a basketball hoop on a beach. Ball is life. There's no one out. It's like it's raining right now, sprinkling a little bit. We're gonna walk towards the pier and the food there. Lake Worth Casino. We're gonna go eat down there. I got chicken and waffle and corn. That's a platter. And shrimp and grits over there. Yeah. We got a little karaoke corner. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. Little lizard. Wow, the sun came out. And there's people. Wow. Big chair. Okay, so we got water sports, we got dive-in movies. I want to do beach yoga. beach yoga and body blast. Made coffee. Look at this mini bar though, it's so fancy.
Wow, what's in it?
Crocs. I can't swim. I can't swim. I won't go to the deep end. Hey Boo. Hey Boo. Hi. Can you see yourself in here? Now you can. I'm running to the beach now. Ooh, it's warm. Ooh, it's warm. Ah! No! I'm out. I'm gone. There's seaweed. There's a lot of seaweed. I keep thinking it's something crawling on me. There's like no one at the beach. And I got a bunch of pretty seashells. What I'm gonna do in Florida.
Are you doing another music video?
No. This is Florida. Florida doesn't deserve a music video unless it got big ass boop.
Oh god.
The gym. This is the guys' locker room of the gym. They got hand soap, shaving cream, hair gel, mouthwash, hand soap. Wow. So now they got lotion, they got shavers, they got Q-tips. They had hair combs here, but someone took them. Game room. Let's go. We got Xbox and PS4, but that's all they have. Alright, so they got Xbox over there, PS4 over there, foosball here. I don't know what that is, and they got a PC right there.
Oh dude, it's still steaming hot.
Bread, lemon, ginger, olive oil, and a poem.
That came yesterday?
Wow.
What day was it? Catch that day? The Dorada?
Stuff.
It's gonna be for you.
Lamb. Grouper. Chicken. Chicken. We take pictures in the dark well.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see. Did you take a picture?
This, she wanted
It's a chill
a
soup.
fruit soup. This is the male locker room. It's carpeted. It's got all these lockers. It's got a bunch of towels. I showed this before. It's got really nice like stuff. I just used the mouthwash. Toilet's nice. here. We got more towels. There's more combs now. Looking in here, the showers are nice. They got, it's nice, and this is why. Finally, the sauna is empty, so I'm gonna come in here. Oof, it's hot, it's toasty. Ah, it feels so good in here. I just filled up this bucket of water, and there's coals right over here. So I hope it can steam. Let's find out. In my head, this is what I wanted to do. Oh yeah. We're gonna make it steamy in here now. Actually, I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. I thought I'm supposed to though. This sauna feels so nice. I'm alone. It's a little bit over 160 degrees. Got my Crocs on. I'm just chilling. Morning yoga. Super windy today, supposed to thunderstorm. Free coconuts. Meow. All I see is... There we go. I got it. I am in Miami and it's raining. Market Miami, all the restaurants we got. I'm just gonna look at the pho.
Where?
I see pho.
Oh, you're gonna come here to eat pho. You should get local.
You like the look of them? Pastries. You came to Florida to eat pho. This little 6-slice pizza costs $17.
No way.
It's normal because everything here is expensive. Like those pho was like $15 each. Your coffee was cheap.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Oh yeah. Oh man. It's flooding up in here. Ooh. I like this. This is nice because I'm wearing my Crocs and my swimming shorts. It's hot, it's hella humid, and it's just raining really hard. But yeah, the streets are flooded. Whew.
It's supposed to thunderstorm.
Wow. People are avoiding this, it's flooded. This is an adventure.
Oh, hydroplane! I feel it at the bottom of the sea. Oh shit, this is so fun.
Wow.
Won't there be water damage to the car?
Where's the sidewalk? It's submerged. There is no sidewalks. Alright, I can't read. What does that say?
Miami International Mall.
Okay, Gator Park, airboat tours.
Underneath the brush there for wildlife. Go ahead and get those phones on camera mode. Go ahead and get your cameras ready to take pictures. The only rule I have in the boat, guys, is to keep both your hands inside the boat at all times. Now they are cold-blooded animals, so they do have to warm up in the sun and cool off in the water. It was a little hot here today, so they're swimming around.
Nice.
Their major diet here is fish. They don't have. Has no oil on its wings, so it has to hold its feathers out and wings out in order to dry off, in order to fly again. Okay guys, look on the right and left hand side, you're going to see some garfish swimming around. So it's one right here next to the boat. What's unique about those garfish? You know those garfish have... water. An alligator cannot live in that salt water. Okay guys, also on both sides of the boat, these big green, actually the temperature of the egg will determine the sex of the alligator.
This is Florida. Florida.
I think he's a baby.
Probably.
Doesn't he look like a baby?
Who's your cute little alligator? Gator. Gator. Gators. Little. So fat. Why are you so fat? Look at his hands. Look at those hands. This is a bag. This is a LV bag. Ooh, there's so many flies. Yeah. Gators. No smoking. Smoking thingy.
Sorry about the wait, guys. Come on in. Are you ready? You guys see any alligators out there? A couple. A day like this, you're normally getting.
Aww.
Oh yeah, so cute. Until he bites you. Not cute anymore. Now you want to say hi to everybody? Say hello. Hear that noise?
No.
Hear that? Ow, ow. Don't worry. On here, that's a tongue. Lingua. That tongue. Waza. Tongue. Alligators have a tongue. Crocodiles do not have a tongue. Where crocodiles are supposed to have a tongue that have pores called salt glands. What gives the crocodiles the ability to
Oh, he went to the water. He doesn't want. Oh, he's dragging a guy in here.
Now this is my female. She's about 15 years old. Boy, when she has, she's about 15 years old. She weighs about 200 pounds. But boy, when she has those break size, she feels like a good 300.
Oh, you hear
You guys hear that noise? You know what she just told me?
I'm
I
killing
love you. That's not true. What she just told me with that hiss, she just told me, I promise you, one day I'm gonna get a hold of you and I am not letting go. That is a promise. I promise you guys that. Now an alligator that backwards right there. Now get this. They also say that alligators can't climb fences. Really? These guys can't climb fences? I've seen these guys climb fences. Or because she's defending her babies or her nest. That's it. You get too close to them, she's going to react. Now every alligator has their own personality. Oh, come on. No. Go for it. Get your cue. Get your cue.
It's gonna kill us.
No. Go for it.
No, it's gonna help the fence.
Stay. Stay down. Now, roll over. Hey, which, right, guys? Oh, come on. See, right now, what she's trying to do with me, she's trying to set me up.
Hey, little friend.
Sorry, I mean, I have to.
What's your name? Hurricane evacuation plan or Itachi evacuation plan. Naruto.
It's not good. Okay, let's take a picture of me standing in the middle.
Okay.
Quick.
The water looks very brown right now. It's so brown. About to eat, but look at that. That's a guitar building being built. Alright, I'm gonna eat some hot pot and then get boba after. And I don't know if I can record it because my phone's running out of memory.
The meat and the dessert and sauces are all back there.
This is so interesting. It's a lot of self-serve stuff. Oh my god, Kuto fish ball. I'm getting that. Mala soup base. We got the lemongrass signature one. I'm surprised you didn't get Tom Yum.
And you just go to like Crash 99 and get like the little sheep flavor.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make pho. It's 6 a.m. I woke up naturally. I decided since I'm already out, I might as well go see the sunset or sunrise. So yeah, hopefully I didn't wake anyone before I left. There is no one awake right now. Cleaning crews are up. Everything is perfectly still. The water. The sun's about to come up. It's gonna rise in probably like 5 minutes. Alright, so I've been gymming every day, so that's good. I'm still sore. Went to sleep at like 2 a.m. We were debating whether or not to drive like 2-3 hours all the way down to Orlando to not do Disney World or Universal Studios, just to see what's down there. I think we're only gonna look at the local stuff
for today. Just relax. The sky is turning red over there, so I see the sun. See, look at that. The sun's rising. This is my view. There's no one else out here. Penis. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I was tired at first when I got up, but then yeah, I was like, since I'm already up, I might as well go see the sunrise. I got 2 more days here. Wait, no. I only have 1 more day here tomorrow. Rocking out with my Crocs out. These Crocs have been super worth it. Oh my god! That little shitty red dot. I see it. I see it now. Look at it. It's coming over the horizon. Yes. Yes. It's a circle. Oh my god. It's so beautiful in the morning. Like the air is so warm here also, so it's nice. Alright, so the sun is pretty much getting up there in the sky now. I feel like people are gonna wake up in 2 to 4 hours, so I think I'm gonna just go ride a bike. So I found out Trump's Mar-a-Lago place is only 4 miles from here, and I'm debating whether to bike down. I think I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna ride down. I'm gonna go south. Wee! Look at this nice little area I found. Ooh. And this is my bike. I got a little bell on it. Look. Ring, ring, ring. Ah, fuck. I went way farther south than I intended. I'm like 15 minutes. Oh, I went 15 minutes south of Mar-a-Lago. I was just pedaling and I was just going and going, and I guess I overshot it by like twice the distance I thought. Oh, damn it, now I have to go back up. Actually, no, I'm an idiot. I actually was supposed to go north instead of south. I am way far away right now. These beachside houses though. This is Trump's Mar-a-Lago place, but it was closed, so I can't go in. I'm scared, there's so many cars. A lot of these homes though, they look actually pretty nice though. They look just as good. Got up, saw the sunset. Took like a 2-hour bike ride. I was gonna go hit the pool after, but she has such good time. She called me right when I got back from my bike ride. And look at her just relaxing now.
No, I'm tired as hell.
Hey everybody, Tech Lead here. But before I have something important to say, it's coffee time. Breakfast.
I don't know what to get.
Crab cake Benedict, pancakes over there, everyone taking photos.
Should we help me take a picture of her pancakes?
It's so hard to record and cut stuff at the same time. Pineapple Grove. Pineapple. So if anyone wants to know the logistics of parking in Florida, it seems to be really late by the beaches is when free parking starts. Also, it's about $2 an hour. Bougie places would be $3 an hour. And yeah, I'm just waiting to take a free trolley down to the beach. Florida real estate. 1 million will get you like 4 bedrooms. For only $149, you could get a country club. Less than $1 million get you 4 bedroom. Like all, come on, Bay Area. It's so cheap here. At the Palm Beaches. Here's our free shuttle, or our free trolley, back to the car. Yeah, here it comes. Free ride. Huh? As with every vacation trip, I'm in Costco. And I am burned. Wow.
I call you Stella.
好咯，跟住調咗過去，咁佢哋咪可以搭到。
I'm gonna take a shot. And here's my girl. And this is sunset. Sunset. Hold up, look at that.
Trolley.
Trolley. Park. Okay. Look at these yachts. So expansive.
Don't fall.
I'm afraid crocodiles are just gonna jump out of the water and eat me. I think there's a crocodile everywhere. Or an alligator. But alligators don't like eating people. Alright, walking on the pier. Here. Here. It's the sun setting right now.
There's still
Big boat. Bridge gonna go up. Eventually. Who dis?
Let's see if your theory is correct when it reaches the triangle.
Yeah. I think when it reaches that sign, the bridge will move up. Yeah, see? It reached the sign and it's moving, see?
Moving.
Yeah, it reached the sign and it goes up.
But the other side is crossing too, right?
What do you mean other side?
Is there a boat coming from the other side?
No.
Or is that stationary?
It's stationary. Ta-da! Big boat moves. Alright, that's it. That's the drawbridge. Red? No, red. Red. Red.
I think they're probably gonna be.
You can get yourself 4 bedrooms for that much. That place is for 65 or 650,000, 3 bedroom. Okay, this place is so nice. $500,000, 5 bedroom. Bay Area, why you gotta suck? You can keep it over there. I'm good. I got long arms. Having all the guys ride bikes because the girls can't ride bikes makes me feel like one of those sexist societies and countries where the women are oppressed. Leaving Florida, gonna go have a layover in Atlanta, Georgia. Community day today. I'm in San Mateo catching torchics. Mother, she was like, go tell dad that there's a little form of Tyranitar out there. And the little kid's like, he goes off running. He's like, Dad, there's a Larvitar over there. And I was just like, I need me a wife like that, you know? Someone that's like, hey, there's a good Pokemon here, come get it.